In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how I was able to fix Instagram live screen not working now in 2024. So basically, I had the exact same problem myself just a couple of minutes ago, and I'm going to explain to you and show you how I was able to fix that problem. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our Instagram app and then come to our profile right here, so you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to locate the three lines in the top right corner and just click on them, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now on this page, just scroll down in here until you can see where it says help and click on help. Now it's just going to be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Then you're going to click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem, click on include and continue, and now you should be taken to this page right here. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? And that's a great question. The reason why we need to come to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they're the ones that can help us to fix this issue basically. So you're going to write like this, because I myself was able to fix this by writing like this. I hope it will help you as well. I want to be able to fix Instagram live screen not working. Please fix this. So basically you just have to write like this to them. I want to be able to fix Instagram live screen not working. Please fix this. And then don't forget to click on send in the top right corner. And what you're going to do now is to just wait a couple of minutes for the Instagram support to see this. And what you can also do, by the way, this is one of those other things that I also did. You're going to close the Instagram app. Then you're going to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, we're going to search for Instagram. Scroll down and click on the update button here, as you can see, if you have one, because if you do, then you can just update to the latest version and it will fix a lot of bugs out there as well, just so you know. So hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you.